Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a catalog on WhatsApp Business so you can easily showcase your products or services to your customers. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp Business app and make sure you're logged in to your business account. Once you're in, tap on the three dots at the top right corner if you're using Android, or go to Settings if you're on iPhone. From there, tap on Business Tools and then select Catalog. This is where you'll create your digital store inside WhatsApp. Now, tap on Add New Item. You'll see an option to upload pictures, so go ahead and choose clear, high-quality photos of your product or service. After that, type in the product name and add the price if you want. You can also include a short description explaining what the product is all about. And if you have a website link or a product code, you can add that too, though it's optional. Once you're done filling in all the details, tap Save. That product will now appear in your catalog. You can repeat the same steps to add more items, whether you're selling clothes, gadgets, or services. Each time you add a product, WhatsApp might review it to make sure it follows their policies, and once it's approved, it will be visible to your customers. If you ever need to make changes, you can open your catalog again. Tap on any product to edit, delete, or even hide it. You can also share any of your catalog items directly in a chat by tapping the attachment icon and selecting Catalog, then choosing the item you want to send. And that's it! You've learned how to create catalogs on WhatsApp Business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.